Hey everyone, ladies, gentlemen, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. Happy to have you back, guys. You guys saw the title. We're going to talk Tesla today. Is Tesla the world's most valuable car company? Guys, the CMHC video we did last week, it blew up. Let's get that many likes and comments down below. Let me know what you think. It seems like a great car company, but is it the most valuable car company in the world? Yesterday, it hit over $1,000, $1,000 per share. It hit its record high ever. And why is that? Why is it hitting that high? Should you buy it? Am I buying it? What should you be doing with this right now? Why is Tesla worth more than Ford? Why is Tesla worth more than GM? Well, you got to look at it. There's a couple of reasons. Is Tesla's actually profitable selling cars recently? Number two is Tesla doesn't have the debt that the GMs, the Fords, the Fiats, all these other companies have, and that's why their market capitalization is bigger. If you look at Ford, GM, Volkswagen, with their share price and their outstanding stocks, plus their debt that they have, well, these are way bigger companies. Yet, obviously, their share price has to reflect how much debt they have in the companies. Tesla, $1,000 a share. Well, they're doing good things right now. They got their Shanghai Gigafactory going up. So why did it bump up that high? So Shanghai Gigafactory is starting to do the Model Y. They're building one in Germany. They're building another production facility somewhere in Texas. So these guys are moving, they're building, they have a lot of demand for their cars. And everybody who's driven one loves it. They're all fanboys. There's not one person who doesn't drive a Tesla that doesn't love it. They've changed how cars are being used, right? You go in, you look at a Tesla, there's no dashboard. They just got the screen and away you go. So guys, just disclaimer, I actually don't own any Tesla right now. I do have a Model Y on order, and it should come in sometime in the next 2 to 3 years. And once I get it, we'll do a video. You guys can see it. We'll go for a drive. We'll put Josh in there, and we'll see his head snap back from the power. I didn't get the performance or anything yet. Who knows, right? Some of the reasons why Tesla has popped. Because, it was an $890, $850 stock. Just 12 months. We'll put up the 1 year chart from Yahoo Finance up here. It was this time last year, or even in December, it was a $350 stock. It's gone 3x since then. And this time last year, actually in May last year, it hit the low of $180. Now, I did buy a crap ton back then, and I'm out of it. Because no offense, I never saw this coming, and I might be too conservative for my own good, yet I obviously made some money on it, but I was out. Why is it $1,000? So they announced that the Tesla Semi, which has been testing out on the open roads, all that type of stuff, is coming into production. So they're going to get it into production. That's huge. The semi industry is billions and billions of dollars. There is so much demand out there for this truck. If you can get, here's the thing. If you are a delivery company and you could use electric vehicles and save 50% of your cost from gasoline and switching to electric, that is a huge savings. Because that's where most of their cost comes in is everybody knows when food prices go up, typically it's because, there's a couple of factors, but a lot of times it's because the gas prices have gone up. If you can now determine your cost and build that and have that and save that money, that's going to be huge. And I know companies that have bought, have orders for these things. So there's a lot of demand out there. They probably have 2 to 3 years of production for the Tesla Semi, right now. They are crushing it out there with the Model 3, the Y2, it started delivery, the X and the S, and they lowered the price on them. So they increased the range and performance, and they lowered the price. So obviously there's more demand for the vehicles. They're building more facilities, Europe, China, US. Now, the other thing is Ron Barron, who is Tesla Uber bull and is Elon Musk Uber bull, he owns $1.5 billion worth of Tesla right now. He did a CNBC interview, which we're going to link down below, in which he said he is buying more Tesla. He is quoted as his average price is $250 on Tesla right now. He thinks that's going to 20x. So you do the math, that's $5,000 per share. So even if he thinks it's at $1,000 a share, he thinks it's going to 5x from here. That's not a bad return, guys. Am I buying Tesla at $1,000 a share? No. Again, I might be too conservative for my own good. If it does dip, may I buy some shares? Might I buy some shares? Definitely. It's definitely a possibility. I do like Tesla. I believe in the company. I mean, no offense. You got these other companies out there doing whatever. I mean, Nikola is building a new truck. They have zero revenue and they're worth $30 billion. And you got Elon Musk landing rocket ships on barges in the ocean. And they have their positive revenue and they're selling lots and lots. They're selling as many cars as they can make right now. I think long term, this is a great stock. So if you have a long-term time horizon, like you don't want to sell for 5 or 10 years, I mean, I don't think buying at $1,000 a share is that bad. That's like, I think, be like Ron Barron, right? He's a billionaire. Smart dude. If he thinks it's going to 5x and you're okay with a 5x in 5-10 years, which is who wouldn't be, then $1,000 a share isn't that bad. Is it going to go up and down? Is Tesla a very polarizing stock on the stock market? Yeah. Do short sellers love Tesla? Yeah. So I mean, that's why I think I can go ahead and get some deals on it in the future. Now, guys, I could be totally wrong, and this thing could be a $1,500 stock next month. So don't get me wrong. If you like the stock and you're in for the long term, time on the market, not timing the market. Always time on the market. So if you like it, guys, go pick up a couple shares. Definitely way to go. If you're like me and too conservative and think you're smarter than the market, well, you're going to wait and try to buy a dip, and then it's going to dip and you think it's going to go down more, and yeah, you're going to go chase that down a rabbit hole, and in the future it's going to be a $2,000 stock, and I'm not going to have any more. I'm not going to have any Tesla. I'll let you know when I buy. So if you want to pick up some shares, happy to share that. And guys, none of this is investment advice. If you want to buy Tesla because you think it's a good company and you've done your own research, definitely go ahead. But make sure you do your own research and check out why and you're comfortable with owning it. And guys, if you love Tesla, subscribe, comment down below what you think. Let me know when you think I'll get my Tesla Model Y in Canada, because yeah, I'm looking forward to it and it can't come soon enough. So Elon, when you watch this, give me a shout, comment down below, and let me know when that's coming. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.